Hello and welcome back. Now in this lesson we are going to learn what is mini chart, what are the importance of mini chart, how we will get mini chart on our MT4 and how it will help us in our better trading and how it will facilitate us to trade in a better way. Okay, so let's start. Mini chart looks like this. Okay, basically it is a small chart present along with on our big MT4 chart. Okay, it has some great features, and here in this mini chart we can select some multiple symbols, and all of these features I will explain in this lecture also. It is giving us inverted prices, it is giving us changing chart types and time frame also. It is giving us data transformation, drawing styles, colors, minimum, maximum and grid also, zoom in, zoom out, all of these options, size and position and indicators also. We can have 10 types of different indicators in this mini chart. Okay, so mini chart is very interesting and unique in its own way, and it is giving us all of these important features. Now we will go to MT4 and we will see how mini chart is going to help us. Okay, so let's start. So to get mini chart on our MT4, simply just click here on navigator. Okay, and then from these indicators, okay, here you need to select this mini chart. Okay, just double click on that, press ok. Also make sure that your auto trading option is enabled. So here we got our mini chart. This is a small chart of our GBP, JPY, and in this mini chart here we can see small candles. Okay, this mini chart is synchronized with the chart of our default MT4. Okay, and whatever time frame here we will select, mini chart will also update that. So I have selected H1. Here we can see H1. If I will select daily candle, it will give us chart of daily candle. Okay, so it is synchronized with our MT4. Okay, so now we will see some more parameters of mini chart. To get that, just right click here. Okay, right click and then go to indicators, and after that from indicators just highlight it and then go to edit. Okay, then from tab of this input, okay, here we can see chart symbol. So as you know that here we have chart of GBP JPY. If I want to choose any other pair like Euro USD, okay, so it will give me chart of Euro USD. So here you can see I have got chart of Euro USD H1. Similarly, if I want to change any pair and I want to get any other pair like NZD USD, okay, and then I will press OK. So here you can see I got NZD USD H1. So in this way we can get some different symbols. So next option is invert. What is the meaning of invert? Similarly, like for example here we can see NZD USD H1. So when I will click here yes for invert, then you will see USD will come first and NZD will be on second. Okay, first right now it is NZD USD. After invert it will be USD NZD. Okay, so here we got invert chart. After that we have some another interesting feature, that is chart time frame. So here we can get all of those time frame which are not present in our MT4. Okay, to get there just click here and here we can select from M1, M2, M3, M4, M5, 6, okay, up to monthly, and here you can see we have chart of H8, H6, H3 also. We have tick bar, tick lines and seconds also. 5-second chart, 10-second chart, 15-second chart, 20-second and 30-second, etc, etc. Okay, so this is a very interesting feature, and for example if I want to get 12-minute chart, I will press M12 and then I will press OK. So here I have got USD NZD M12 chart. Okay, after that we have ticks per bar. This is not important. Transformation. So here we can get different types of charts. Like if I will click on Hekenashi, so I will get Hekenashi chart. Okay, and similarly on the 2 bar average or 3 bar average or 3 line break also. So here you can see I got 3 line break chart. Okay, so after that we have Rinku size. We will not touch it. This is for the Rinku. Okay, and next one is drawing settings and draw style. Okay, and here we can select close, highs and lows. Like for example, if I will click here, so I have got highs and lows. This is the graph of highs and lows. Okay, and here I can select my background color. Like if I want to change my color, so for example I want to set my background color black. So here you can see right now my background color is black. Similarly, we can change our bar colors for bullish and bearish candles, minimum maximum grid also here. Okay, and we can change our grid lines color. So in this way we can set its various settings. Okay, and then next one is indicators. Okay, here in the indicators we can select small moving average, EMA. All of these indicators we can select. Okay, price level, current bid price, etc, etc. We can get all of these indicators. Here we can get 10 types of indicators. Okay, indicator 2. In indicator 2 type we can get these indicators. Okay, we can select their colors also. So in this way mini chart is also important. Here I have explained its. Here you can see we have 10 types of 10 indicators. Okay, so in this way mini chart is important. Okay, and it can help us by giving us different types of important features which I have explained in my this lecture. I'm sure that you have fully understand this lecture. Still you have any kind of question about this mini chart, you can ask me here. Okay, thank you so much.